So here I am, looking mostly homeless in my sweatpants and tank top. This is my new makeup setup here. I have moved everything out of my bathroom into this set of drawers here. This is just from Walmart. And then this mirror actually opens up and there's storage inside of there. I'll show you guys in that in a second. But we're gonna go through all of this and kind of cull through it and see what I want, what I don't want, all of those things inside of that mirror. I think it's supposed to be a jewelry organizer, which I use over here, but most of it's makeup. Anyway, so we're gonna go through all this. Not really sure how much I'm going to be getting rid of, to be honest, because I feel like I have this at a good spot of what I like and what I don't like. So we'll see what happens. I think we're gonna start with this since I have it open. So up here, I honestly don't think I'm gonna get rid of anything because this is stuff I use fairly frequently. Like this is just brush cleaner. I've got my two favorite Buxom glosses, my two favorite House Lab glosses. These Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks are my favorite lipsticks that I own. I've got my Chanel lipsticks and lip balm. A couple of mascaras up here that need to be put away. Well, so I've got the Colourpop Level Up and the, what is this, Maybelline Lash Discovery. I've been using these two a lot. That's why they're up here, but they need to be put away. So we'll do that eventually, but I'm not getting rid of them. And then, what is this? Kimchi Lip Scrub and the Kosas brow pencil because it's too long to fit in the drawers that are down in the bottom of this thing. But it's just a random loose eyeshadow. Nice. This I can 100% say I'm getting rid of. This is the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel. This is old, and I honestly use the Anastasia Brow Freeze more often than not. I just find I like the way my brows look with that. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I use that every time I do my makeup. But this is nice. It's fine. It's okay. I just am definitely more into a fluffy brow lately. So this, I know, can go. Okay, so I propped my camera up on something, but we're gonna start up here. This is all of my lipsticks and a few of my lip glosses, and I'm not really sure how much I'm gonna get rid of from that shelf because I feel like I've gotten my lipsticks to a point where I have the ones that I like and I actually wear the ones that I have, but I think there are a few that I want to get rid of, so let's look at that. So these here are from Trixie Cosmetics. I know these are staying. These two here are lip glosses. Let me move my light. Okay, so these two are lip glosses. This is in the shade Duh. I love this color. Very reminiscent of Snob from MAC, but in a lip gloss. It is pretty opaque. And then this is Marsha. This is more of a sheer with gold glitter. I love both of these. This formula is great. And I'm not a super gloss person, so I love those. And then these are two of her lipsticks. This is Cherry Chip. This is like a dark brown kind of burgundy. This is my favorite dark lipstick at the moment. And then I have the shade Eden, which is like a deeper brown nude. Then I have these two from Oma by Sharon C. These ones are available at Walmart. One of these is this is a lip gloss in the shade Edible, and then this is one of the lip stains in the shade Softy. It's like a glossy stain. They're really good. I definitely would check them out if you can find them. Then here I've got my MAC lipsticks, and this is pretty good for me because I used to have a ton more when I worked for them. So let's go through these. I have Viva Glam 1 in special packaging for the 25-year anniversary, kind of like a darker brick red, great color. Viva Glam Sia, which is kind of like a yellow-based, well, it's not kind of, it is a yellow-based red. This does have like red glitter through it as well. This was a great color. And this is Yash. I wanted to compare this one to the Trixie one as I stab it with my nail. So we're gonna compare these really quick. There's Yash. I love Yash. Yash is such a great neutral. But I wanted to see, oh, those are almost identical. Yeah. Okay, so Yash can leave. I'm sure I have somebody in my life that will love that. Then I have Flesh Pot, which I'm keeping because it's been discontinued, and this is one of my favorite MAC lipsticks of all time. And I'm so sad that it's been discontinued. I have Viva Glam 2, which is one of my go-to lipsticks for when I just want to wear a lipstick and not really care. I will pick this up. And then I have Babe Town, which was limited edition for holiday one year. I think it was Shiny Pretty Things. This is more pink, but also one of my go-to nude lipsticks. Then I have Blankety, which is another one of my go-to lipsticks. I always keep this one because it's one of my favorite colors, but also because my husband picked this color out for me. So yeah. So I always keep one of these on hand. Then I have Viva Glam 3, which I love this color, and I want to compare this one to the other Trixie one as well. So there's Viva Glam 3. That's Cherry Chip. I feel like the finishes are different. I feel like the finishes are different. I know on camera they look super similar. This is Cherry Chip and this is Viva Glam 3, but I'm gonna keep them both because for me they are different enough. Then I have 2 from Melt. I have Nude. Are we sensing a trend with lipsticks that I like? I like this color, like this really light, almost concealer, peachy matte nude. Yeah, I love that. Old Rose. Great neutral color. I'm gonna keep that. I know I'm gonna get rid of this. Let's do something here. This is from Lunatic Lab Cosmetics. This is one of their I don't know, bullet lipsticks, because I don't know if I showed you the packaging, but that's what it looks like. It looks like a bullet, and I think it's called AK-47. That's the color. It's such a gorgeous color. It's just so heavily perfumed that I can't get past it. And the scent hangs around on your lips and you can smell it and it gives me a headache. I love the color, but I can't wear it because the scent is so strong. Then I have this from Fenty. This is called Vamps Who Brunch. This is a lip balm. Slip Shine Sheer Shiny Lipstick. I love this. I haven't worn it much. I think I've worn it once, but I really like it. I need to wear it. But like, I'm a bridal makeup artist, so showing up with this color on to do bridal makeup is kind of like, oh. This is one of my favorites. This has probably gone off, but so I might need to buy a new one. But this is one of my favorite colors. That's the color there. This is Lovecraft by KVD Beauty. Then this is a Huda lipstick in Staycation that I'm gonna keep. I really love the formula of Huda's matte lipsticks. Super soft. They feel like suede on the lips. They're so nice. And I have 2 here from Colourpop from their Halloween launches this year. This is from the Hocus Pocus 2. This is Calming Circle. Love this color. And then this is Oogie Boogie from the Nightmare Before Christmas. And can you see like the stamping on it? Like, isn't that so cute? So all of those are staying. I wear these all the time. This is topped with brandy and burnt spice. They are MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipsticks. MAC also makes my favorite black liquid lipstick, which is called Caviar. Super great. I am going to be getting rid of these. These are 2 Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks. I'm not gonna get into this. I've stopped supporting his brand, and these are the last 2 things I have from his brand, and I'm letting go of them, and I'm just not gonna support him anymore. And then Lime Crime. These are some of my favorites. This is Marshmallow, Salem, and Turkish Delight. These are some of my favorite lipsticks. I wear Marshmallow constantly. And then I've got some Jaclyn ones up here. This is I'm a Cancer, one of the Pout Spoken liquid lipsticks. And then this is the Lip Cushion and Promised. I think these are limited edition, but these are really nice if you can still get your hands on them. Then I have a Maybelline and a Lime Crime. This is the Lip Blaze. Do they still make these? Because these are fabulous. These are like a liquefied lipstick. These don't set matte, but these are so comfortable. I want more, but I think they've been discontinued. This is the shade Clover, by the way. And then this, I think, was limited edition too. This is called Mocha Inventor. It's one of their liquid lipsticks. Really nice. Doesn't freaking move. Then while we're still doing lips, I have some things I need to put back. This is a Colourpop Luxe Lip Oil in the shade Truth Bomb. This is almost gone. I use this every day before I put my lipstick on as like a skincare, like lip balm item. So that lives up there. These are 2 of the lifter glosses from Maybelline. I love these. These are going to go back into my purse, I think. But I love these. I think I have another one somewhere, like in my daughter's diaper bag. This is the shade Opal and Moon. Then this is the Colourpop Fresh Kiss Lip Lacquer in Speakeasy. That's what I have on right now, just in case you were wondering. So that can go here next to my Colourpop stuff. I have a little MAC Velvet Teddy. I don't wear this color super often, but I like to have it, so I keep a little one. So that can go there. And then this is the Jaclyn Lip Lacquer in Cookie. These are amazing. I love these. I want these to come back permanent and not just be a part of her holiday collection. These are so good. This is sold out. If it wasn't, I would be buying like 3 of these to have on backup. This is so good. So that can live there. All right, moving on to here. This is a concealer that doesn't live here, so we'll talk about that later. These are Pigments from MAC. I'm honestly going to be getting rid of, I think, most of these. This is Naked. I use this all the time. Like, I use this all the time, and that's all I've used. Such a good color if you are around my skin tone. Blue-brown. I love this. I love this color, so I'm going to keep this one around because they don't sell the full size of this anymore. They just sell, I think, the tiny size. I think MAC is kind of going away from selling full-size pigments. I could be wrong, but I think. Another one I'm keeping is Rose Pigment. I live for this color. Like, I don't wear it super often because I forget about it, but I need to, like, use this more often. I think I'm going to do a full look based on this, and I'll post it on my Instagram, so go follow me there. I'm going to get rid of these 2. Well, I'm not going to get rid of them. I'm going to put them in my kit because I'm probably going to actually use them there, like, around prom time, but they are glitters. So I've got Lavender Hologram and Iridescent Sage. So those will go in my kit. And then I'm going to keep Reflex Teal. I love this. When I worked for MAC, I used to use this as a highlighter. Because, you know, why not? So those can go back here. Then I have 2 of these glitters that I bought also from the Hocus Pocus collection that came out around Halloween time from Colourpop. I've got the purple, what are these called? Glitterly Obsessed Glitter Gels. This one is called Amok, Amok, Amok. And then this one is called Another Glorious Morning. I haven't used this one yet. There's a look on my Instagram with this one, but I love these. so those can stay. NYX white eyeshadow base. This smells like plastic. This needs to go. I usually only use this around Halloween time, and it's been many a Halloween since I've used this. These are my cream shadows. This is a Chanel one in Skintilance. I love this color. This is turning into a much longer video than I thought, but it's like a declutter and a makeup collection. Then I have two paint pots. That's what these are. This is a new one in Belle Epic. This is one you can't get anymore. It's called Rubenesque. They just released a bunch of new colors, so if you like the paint pots, check them out. And then these, I believe, were limited edition from Colourpop. I couldn't tell you what collection, but they're their cream shadows in Camouflage and Moonbeam. I really like these too. So then I've already pulled some off of this drawer because I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. Mrezi is solid. One of the best highlighters I think I've ever used. I've hit serious pan on this. I wish they would make this permanent, or at least make this formula permanent, because it's so good. A couple of loose ones. This one is Cleo from Juvia's Place. It's what I have on today. And then this is Silver Dusk from MAC. I wear these two a lot. Then this is from Ofra. This is the only Ofra one I have, because when I started looking at Ofra things, they started having the issue with, was it their CEO being racist or something? I don't know. There was something happening. He has since stepped down, I believe, but this is the Steph Toms collab, and she has since pulled this collab. I don't believe this is available any longer because of the things that were going on with Ofra, and I have kind of put purchasing anything from them on the back burner because of what was happening at the time. But beautiful highlighter regardless. Really smooth texture. Does show texture on the skin, but it's also very beautiful on the skin. This is the Ciate Jessica Rabbit one. I pretty much have this as a collector's item because I will keep this compact when the highlighter is gone. I do use the highlighter. I'm not just like, see, I have used it, but I don't use it as frequently because the color is not my favorite. But yeah. So then let's keep it going. This is like some random stuff here. I ended up purchasing the P. Louise base, and I don't hate it. This color is not quite right for me. This is Rumor 1. I think it's too light. So I did purchase the Mama Mitchell Acid Rain one in Blank Canvas. This is a different formula than this, and I prefer this 100%. But I'm never going to run out of these because you hardly need any to prime your eyes with these. I don't know what they're doing in those Instagram and YouTube videos, but you don't need that much. Like, I'm never going to run out of these. Like, the fact that I have 2 of them is kind of stupid on my part. Anyway, then I have some magnetic lash adhesive. Well, it's a magnetic eyeliner. Like, I don't know how to explain it. The lashes are magnetic. Oh, excuse me. The lashes are magnetic, so you paint this on, let it dry, then you magnetize the lashes to your face. Lash glue, glitter glue, and another lash glue. And I think my daughter's waking up, so we might have to finish filming the rest of this later.